Hey YouTube, thanks for tuning back in. It's Niels from GMC Mini Truck, and today I'm going to tackle another upgrade on the lighting system on the garage. So not the truck, but the garage. So as you could have seen in the previous video, I already did these LED strips, but I still have some tube lights here in the ceiling, and I want to convert those into LED too. So you have those drop-in modules, so you take it out and put an LED equivalent of a tube light in, but that's not what I'm gonna do. So I'm basically going to do the same as I did here. So it's actually an LED strip, which is just powered by a LED power supply, and I will be doing the same over here. So I already got a power supply. It's a big one, so I will be using this temporarily because it's way overkill. This is a 2000 watt version. So let me open this thing up and let me show you what I'm gonna do. So opening this thing up is really easy. So you just pull these two little clips here. The whole thing drops down and now you can service it. So I will just turn off the light over here. So how to take these out, it's just a matter of wind, turn and click. That's one and that's two. So I will be mounting my LED tape onto this reflector, which will then also directly act as a heat sink. This one I don't use anymore, so that's going out. This is my LED tape. It's high CRI, so that gives a good color rendering, because CRI stands for color rendering index. So you can cut this stuff every, was it 2.5 centimeters. So that will be ample to put in here. So it's really that easy. Just stick it in, peel it back, apply and press down. So on this stretch I'm running a little short, so I just cut off a little piece of my spool, just apply it here, and then I will join it up just like they did already in the factory. Okay, strip is in, it's applied, so now all I got to do is wire it up. So the transformer is out. This nice little beast. This one has to go in. Of course the mounting points will be different, but I think I will fab something up. Okay, everything is wired up. So this is the situation currently. So primary in, secondary out, double minus, double plus. Soldered into these. A little tape just to hold them secure, and it also looks a little bit better when I fold this close. So this is on. Go. Really nice. So yeah, I think it actually gives more light than the old ones, but of course there the grill is closed and here it's still open. Let me close it. There we go. Let me turn off this light. So I must say that looks pretty awesome actually. Let me put this thing off. Versus this. I don't know. Of course this is warmer. I think the light output is maybe about the same. But then again, it is the same color as this one. So yeah, pretty pleased with this. So all that's left to do is do that, but I will put that or do that off camera. I'm not gonna bore you with that because I already did this one. So yeah, pretty happy with this. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.